Guys, welcome back to my channel. You're chilling with your girl or Patricia. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. It really means a lot. I hope you enjoyed my previous videos, and today's video, it's gonna be nice. I know that a lot of you have been asking, and I'm doing this particular video because somebody DM'd me on my Q&As on Instagram, and they were like, can you do like chocolate cupcakes, like simple ones? And we don't want like a whole lot of recipe, like just a little one. So I was like, okay, let me try to do that. And yeah, today we're doing a cupcakes, but I'm not gonna do like any icing or whatsoever. I'm gonna just do the cupcake sponge, and I hope y'all will enjoy my recipe. However, this is not like, this is one of the many recipes I have for my chocolate cakes or cupcakes. So I hope you will enjoy this one, and as time goes by, probably I'll give more of my chocolate recipes and stuff. So please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section in terms of what would you like to see on my channel going forward, and if really you are enjoying my content. And don't forget to share my videos with your family members, right? They also want to bake, they also want to cook, they want to be part of the family. Why not share with them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram? And also don't forget to tag me on Facebook. I am Chef Patricia Ndlovu. On Instagram and Twitter, I am at Chef Patricia _, right? I will leave also the links down below for you to follow, or for you to actually click on if you want to follow me on my social media platforms. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using for my video. So this is like 2 cups of flour. So what I'm gonna do at this particular moment, I'm gonna like mix my dry ingredients, and in this 2 cups of flour, let me do this. In this 2 cups of flour, I will add my 1 cup of sugar. If you want, you can add like 2 cups of sugar, but I'm adding 1 because I'm gonna be eating this, and I don't have like a sweet tooth, so this is the best thing for me, right? Then I'm gonna like add half cup of cocoa powder. Yes. Then obviously I'm gonna like add this 1/4 teaspoon of like baking powder and a baking soda, right? So normally when you bake, if you're doing like your any vanilla like sponges and stuff, you don't need like baking soda, you need only baking powder. So for chocolate cake, you most definitely need also baking soda. So I'm gonna put 1 quarter each. Then once I'm done, obviously, okay, then I'm gonna put sort of like a pinch of salt. Then obviously I'm gonna like mix my dry ingredients. Sometimes I don't use like my hands, I use like my cake mixer, but to show people that you can still use your hands, then I was like, why not use my hands? So I am done. I'm gonna put it aside. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna then try mix my obviously wet ingredients, which is, I'm gonna start with beating my eggs. The reason I'm starting with beating my eggs is that I don't want any eggshells or anything of that sort to fall into my wet mixture. So in case it does, then I'll be able to remove, as opposed to if I've put everything else, then I won't be able to see any shells. So I'm gonna put like 3 eggs, right? So it's gonna be 3 eggs. Sorry. So these are my eggs. Once I'm done with my eggs, I'm then gonna pour like half cup of oil, any oil that you have, canola oil, but this one, it's canola oil, or you can use like your sunflower oil, or you can use anything that you might be having in the house. Then what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna put this, it's half cup of It's a cup actually. Yeah, sorry, half cup of what you call this, coffee. Yes, so it's like normal coffee that you drink, like your morning coffee, black coffee. And I put like hot water. I boiled my water and I put like 1 spoon of coffee. Then I waited for it like to cool down. So I'm gonna pour my coffee in here. Okay, once I'm done, I'm gonna add like my amasi, inkomazi. Yes, inkomazi. And yep, I'm gonna add okay, let me use this one. I'm gonna add like half. So this is my half actually. When I'm using like my normal measuring cups, yeah, this is half. Let me just leave it at that. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna mix all my wet ingredients. I'm gonna add using like I'm gonna mix using what you call this, a whisk, right? Oh, sorry, before I forget, I still need to add my vanilla essence. So I'm gonna add my vanilla essence. So the whole point of putting vanilla essence, it's for the smell. It kills like the smell of the eggs, and it helps your cakes or your cupcakes to actually smell good, to actually smell nice. All right, so I'm gonna whisk. I'm not gonna whisk for long though. Yes, I think I'm done. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna bring back like my dry ingredients, and I'm gonna put my wet ingredients inside of my dry ingredients. Then I'm gonna be using my hand, as I did mention that I'm not gonna use any cake mixers. So as I'm adding with my hands, like I'm trying to squeeze so that I can feel my dough and I can kill anything that I feel that obviously it's not properly done. It smells so nice, trust me guys, it smells so nice. It smells nice. So the tricky part about cakes and stuff is that you must avoid like over mixing. Yes, you must avoid over mixing. You mustn't over mix. It smells chocolatey, guys. This smells so good. So I'll assume that my job here is done, because I can feel as I'm squeezing that okay, it is done. Yay, we're done. This is my dough. You can see this is my batter. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take like my pan. Then I've put obviously this cupcake thingies for it to be inside and for it not to actually stick on my pan. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna like take some. You can use anything that you have in the house to pour inside, right? If you have like, what you call this, if you have like piping bag, you can use a piping bag. If you have like yeah, a piping bag, a spoon, can you use a spoon? But others, they use hands, guys. Others, like people who are like on that level. So I'm not yet on that level, and I'll stick to using this, which it works way better for me. Works better for me. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put my oven on. So yeah, this is my cupcake batter. Yep. So as you can see, I'm gonna then chuck it into the oven. So guys, these are my cuppies. They are done. So I've put them in the oven for like 20 minutes on 180. So for me to be sure that they are done, obviously I'm inserting this to make sure that no excess comes out. Then I'm sure that my cuppies are well cooked and they are well done. So I'm gonna wait for them to set. But before I do that, let me just eat one cuppy and show you how it looks like, right? So it comes out easy because of you see, this is how it looks. See, I don't know if you can see the steam. I don't know if you can see it. It shows that they're still hot. I should have put like chocolate inside.